Hi, this is doctor and scientist Hugo Palafox. Did you know nowadays thousands of people, due to bad dietary habits, stress, environmental pollution, and many other factors, are suffering from severe oxidative stress that leads to chronic cellular inflammation and countless diseases? Opportunely, one of the most important discoveries in the last decades was to know the antioxidant, protective, and detoxifying effect of a very special compound called glutathione. Glutathione is our body's most important antioxidant to protect us from oxidative stress, reduce cellular inflammation, and increase the capacity of our immune system to fight many health conditions. Unfortunately, most people cannot promote a good glutathione biosynthesis because of their poor diet and health. It is here where Immunitech has made one of the greatest contributions to people's health. Immunitech puts in our hands Immunocal, the most important glutathione precursor today. Especially developed from whey proteins, patented and supported with more than 70 scientific publications that guarantee its quality and efficacy. Take advantage of the science and innovation behind Immunocal and enjoy the best wellness of your life. This is doctor and scientist Hugo Palafox, and see you in the next video.